Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this really cool looking and awesome device here by SOOMFON. It's a car wireless FM transmitter. Model T66. It's a Bluetooth FM transmitter. SOOMFON Radio Bluetooth Adapter for our cars. With PD30W Type-C and QC3.0 USB car charger included, baby. It's a metal Bluetooth transmitter with 2 microphones. Hands-free calling are possible. U-disc and TF card delivery of music files are possible too. We have 9 light modes and a lot of fun. The dual microphones for a clearer hand-free calling means that there are 2 microphones are built in and they are working together to collect their voice from all directions. The sound reception capacity is twice as high as a conventional Bluetooth FM transmitter on the market. The latest CBC 8.0 noise reduction technology of the Bluetooth adapter for cars prevents more road noise, wind noise and other interferences. We simply press the multifunction button and enjoy an easy hands-free call and safer driving at the same time. And we have PD30W and QC3.0 18W. This transmitter here for our car can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. When the USB-C port is used alone, the maximum charging power can be 30 watt. The maximum power of the USB-A port is 18 watt. The maximum power of the U-disc port is 5 volt 1 ampere. This is standard. And we have 3 modes of music playback. The SOOMFON Bluetooth transmitter supports 3 music playback methods. You can use a smartphone, for example, to pair this with this transmitter via Bluetooth 5.0 and younger. Or we use an U-disc to transfer the music. That's cool. Or a memory card for transferring music. Oh, godlike, baby. That means my USB stick, which is not bigger than 32 gigabit, can bring this transmitter music, and the transmitter can bring this to the radio receiver, and then you have the sound of my music in the entire car. That's possible. Oh yes, of course. And the same thing works with an SD card, a micro SD card. Wow. And we can choose a more suitable way of music enjoying according to our favorite style. And we have a nice stereo sound and a deep bass booster. This car music adapter here has an integrated HD decoding chip, which ensures that we deliver our music. That music can be transmitted to the car radio almost lossless. With the B button on the radio FM transmitter, the car Bluetooth brings us a bass content of the music in amplifying, and we can get a more dynamic and energetic music experience if we like. We have a metal frame and a 9 light modes. The frame of the Bluetooth adapter is made of high quality aluminium alloy, which is strong and durable. This does not cause scratches and has a good thermal conductivity. Though that our ride does not become monotonous. There are 9 static and dynamic ring lights modes to choose from. And we have a really big compatibility and a multi-protection. This FM transmitter is compatible with almost all Bluetooth-enabled devices and 12 up to 24 volt cars. We should make sure we have enough space in our car to accommodate the product, of course. Not in the entire car, only at the area where you have to plug it in, okay? This car Bluetooth adapter can provide overvoltage, overload, overcurrent and short circuit protection during our use. Everything serves us, and It serves the better and nicer and safer driving. And it's really easy. We have a function button which can make the power on and off. We insert and unplug the product in and out of the car charger port. Then it will be enabled, or of course it will be disabled. Easy peasy, yeah. Then we have frequency up and down. We press and hold the MFB button. Then we rotate the MFB button to adjust the frequency. And we search for a frequency which is free in a radio transmitter of our car. There's no music, there's no sound, there's nothing, there's only silence or a little bit. Okay. And then we go to this car transmitter and we are programming the same frequency. Then these two frequencies matches each other. The car transmitter and our radio has the same frequency. And then it can go. We can press the MFB button once for play, pause, answer, or hang up, because if we paired our smartphone with that device, we can answer and make calls easily. We can press and hold the MFB button to reject the call. We can radio the last number by press the MFB button twice. We can go and rotate the NFB button. This is the center button. There is an phone on it in green. Volume up and down. We rotate the button. Next song, previous song. There are two a next button and a previous button built in this device to switch between our tracks. And we can switch the music source. We long press the next button to switch music from Bluetooth or UDIS, microSD card. When switching to Bluetooth mode, we need to press the NFB to start the music, of course, okay? And we can make a bass booster on and off if we like. We press the B button and the displays B0 means normal and B1 means the bass enhancement. And we can activate a cell phone voice control in Bluetooth mode, of course. We press and hold the previous button, and then we can activate Siri and other voice controlling services on it. So you can see it's really easy to pair, because the pairing is the Bluetooth thing. Go to the Bluetooth option, search for the T66 and the list, then pair it each other, job's done. And of course make the same with the radio frequency that this matches, and then you can start and have fun with it. Of course you can reload your devices with that Bluetooth FM transmitter by SOOMFON too. That's a really cool looking device, and it makes a good job in our car, which comes with no function, maybe in the radio, or an old radio, not a Bluetooth radio, not a smart radio, not a radio with USB connector, or a radio without a microSD card reader, or you will reload your devices while you play music. Really cool. That's a nice device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. SOOMFON.